What is up, you guys? You already know who it is. I feel like it's been so damn long since I made a video. I don't know if you guys can really see me here because of the sun, but yeah, it's been so damn long since I made a video. That has to do with the fact that I have been really busy. I think it was like 3 months ago since I last posted something. So yeah, it's been a little crazy in the beginning. So I moved and, you know, I had to get accustomed to everything and, you know, the drive to work. I'm taking classes as well, so it, you know, it takes a toll on you. I've been a little tired lately from work, going to school. I'm going to school 5 days pretty much, so is it 5 days? Yeah, 5 days, so it is tiring, but I'm still trying to make the effort of doing these videos for y'all. I know some of you guys actually hit me up saying, hey man, like, you know, when's the next video coming out? And yeah, so it's finally done. I'm finally doing it today. I'm a bit tired, but you know what? I miss doing this. It's actually fun. It's actually fun doing this. So I gave you guys a little cold start there. My car is extremely dirty, like extremely dirty. That's how you know I haven't had time, because I have not cleaned my car. Like, my car looks dusty, like you could run your finger by it and you're gonna leave like lines, because I haven't paid attention to my car. I recently did the oil change. It's something that it needed, so I recently did the oil change, and I started school around January. Yeah, around the 14th, no, around the 9th, the beginning of January. But before that, I had a little bit more time, but not enough time to make videos, if you know what I'm saying. So I used that time I had as leverage to do some mods here and there. So there are some things you guys have not really seen yet. It's just a few things here and there. If I recall, yeah, I don't think you guys even know I installed my Turbo Smart wastegate and my blow-off valve, my forged blow-off valve. I installed those two things, so it sounds lovely. And on top of that, I installed one of these babies, the parent boost gauge. I love the way it looks. It looks sick to me. And you know, you could change the color of it as well. And yeah, that's pretty much actually all I've done to the car. I have a lot more things coming though, for sure. And from here on out, I'm gonna start posting videos again. So these 3 months, I think it's been around 3 months that I haven't posted anything. I was just trying to get used to how everything is moving, my commute to work, my commute back, and so far I'm getting used to it. So I want to get back to this whole YouTube thing. And the last time I checked, I had around 28 subscribers. Now I have 32, which to me is crazy because I haven't really posted much, and you know, you guys still subscribed. So thank y'all for subscribing. I really appreciate it. I just wanted to update you guys on the gauge I've installed. I'll show you guys the wastegate and the blow-off valve. But yeah, if you guys remember, I was in my, if you guys go way back to when I first kind of started, I was constantly saying I have something in mind, I have something planned, I have something in mind, I have something planned, blah 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 blah. Well, yeah, I finally got my house. I finally bought my house, my first house at 22. 2019, around October of 2019 was the best time I had. I was extremely hype. I was just happy, man, that I accomplished that at a young age. So I hope you guys had a fantastic new year, and let's get it started. I want to reach high subscribers this year. I also want to let you guys know that I will be attending Tail of the Dragon this year in July. I'm going with a couple of guys. I think there's 5 of us that are going. One of them is MikeyTurbo, so shout out to you. And this is my first time going. Like, I've heard a lot of stories about them having fun, so this is my first time going. You guys are gonna see pretty much the first reaction, so I'm really hyped. This is in July. We're gonna see a bunch of Abarths and Fiats, and that's gonna be fun. So I'm really stoked about that. So yeah, so far growth in 2020, and we're gonna keep going. All right, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys the blow-off valve and the wastegate actuator. Here we go. See, I don't know if you guys can hear me. I have my Turbo Smart wastegate right over here is my blow-off valve, my Ford blow-off valve. So yeah, so that's what, actually I installed those before I moved out here. And when I moved here, I installed the parent boost gauge. It wasn't too difficult. I'd say if I had to rate it out of 5, it would be around a 3. You do have to do a lot of cutting to the old housing and all that, but it's not out of this world if you're very hands-on, and it's quite easy. So that's what I have installed. That's the last thing I just wanted to update you guys on what I have done to the car so far, because it's been 3 months. Now, besides that, I have something coming in. I got this as a gift. It should be coming in soon, just that I guess it's on back order, or I don't know what's going on. It's taking quite a while. It's at least been 3 weeks. I plan on having the ATM intercooler. Yep. I heard a lot of good reviews about it. It's a perfect fitting, because to most of them you have to modify them, but the ATM one is a perfect fitting. So yeah, I'm getting that hopefully soon, and I'm working real hard to get should I tell you guys? Let's wait a little bit before I let you guys know officially what I'm doing. But with what I just said right now, you guys should have an idea on what I'm trying to work towards. And hopefully, if everything goes well, this will all be done before Tail of the Dragon. Hopefully, it'll all be done before that. That way, I could have some real fun. Oh, also, one more thing I just remembered. I got my BC Racing coilovers installed. Yes, that's one thing I did post on my Instagram. Matter of fact, if you haven't, follow me on Instagram at AlexRomedia. I do post my things ahead there first, because, well, when I see it first, the first thing I do is tend to take a picture of it and post it up. So follow me on Instagram at AlexRomedia. But yeah, I do have my BC Racing coilovers on, and they are amazing. I do hear, because I've heard this a lot and I've seen it a lot on forums and all over the place, they do make like this clunky noise. I hear it a lot towards the back. I do not know 100% what it is. I will try to find out, because now every time I'm driving, and it usually happens when there's a pothole, you do hear like this clunky sound. I don't know what it is. But yeah, I will try to find out, and I will get back to you guys on that. Other than that though, at least the little curves that I've encountered here, where I can turn a good amount at a pretty quick speed, you can feel the difference, like a complete difference from stock. And don't get me wrong, stock suspension is pretty good. Like, I liked it. But with BC Racing coilovers, like, you can feel a really big difference, and I like that. You know, you're turning on a curve and you really, like, at least me, I don't feel like I'm moving out of place. I don't feel like I'm in the lane, and I like that feeling, because it makes me just want to go fast after that. So I like the feeling. Unfortunately, you know, where I live, in my little driveway, you know, I don't know if you guys can see it, but in my driveway, it kind of slopes down. So since I have the platypus mount on, it does tend to like scratch a little bit, but I don't mind. It's okay, you know, it doesn't happen all the time. But yeah, other than that, the BC Racing coilovers were installed by El Gato Engineering. Shout out to you, man. Thank you for that. I trust my car with him 100%. it looks 100 times better this way. So yeah, that's so far what I got done to the car. I do plan on doing a lot more. I really want to work more towards the performance wise, and you guys know that, rather than the looks of it. So yeah guys, that's how it looks so far. That's how the car is. I'm sorry it looks so dirty, but yeah, so far just want to give you guys an update on how it's been for the past 3 months. And I just want to let you guys know that I am back with this whole YouTube thing. I hope you guys didn't think I was done with it or nothing. I'm back. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys had a great new year, and let's make this year a great year, and let's keep growing. Again, follow me on Instagram at AlexRomedia, and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys want to see more, because there will be more. And I can't wait till Tail the Dragon. I really can't wait. So yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.